Let's make cute DIY gift bags. I'm using leftover fabric from old curtains. Grab some decorative lace to add on. Stitch the edges like this. Stitch all around and leave the top open. Stitch the bottom edges like this. Do this to both sides. It should look like this after stitching. Stitch the bottom like this. Once your pouch is ready, add some lace in the edges. When you pull this, it will close. Pop the lace into a needle. Start pulling this through, step by step. Do this to both sides. Tie the lace at the end.